The next song cover is Mercy. God is so merciful. Revelation 12 reminds us that we overcome by the blood of the Lamb and by the power of our testimony. This song speaks deeply to my heart because it reflects on how God has moved us from the past people that we were to who we are right now. And if you have a testimony of how God has delivered you, I pray that as we worship, you may reflect on how merciful God has been in finding us in the places that we were in to bring us to where we are today. And He doesn't want to stop there. He even has a great future for us. So worship with me today.
The mercy of God can do. If you knew me then, you believe me now. He turned my whole life upside down. He took the old and He made it new. That's what the mercy of God can do. Now I'm alive to tell the story how I've overcome. Goodness and mercy, the power of the blood. I'm so glad that my freedom wasn't based on what I've done. Goodness and mercy, the power of the blood. So much power in the blood. To be 6 feet beneath the earth, for all the things I've done, things I've said, choices made that I regret. Oh, I would still be lost, but for the mercy of God, now I'm alive to tell the story how I've overcome. Goodness and mercy, the
If you would like to join us on this journey, don't forget to like, to share, to subscribe, and to click the notification button so that you can be made aware whenever we upload any worship music. Thank you for joining us on this journey.